Hi, my dear student. Welcome you all to Mass College YouTube channel. This is the second part of the equation lesson of grade 8. Okay. Before we start our lesson, I remember for you, subscribe our YouTube channel Mass College, and also these all lessons share with your friends. Okay, now I am going to explain today's lesson. Solving equations having one pair of bracket. One pair of bracket. Here we have bracket. My dear student, if you have bracket, mean is here multiplication. In front of bracket, the number relate with multiplication. Keep your mind very well. You have to you can solve in this equation accordingly two method. I am going to explain this both method. You can select what is the easy one and you can do your easy one. Okay. Here 2 into x addition 3 equal 10. First method is here multiplication, because we can apply opposite operation is division like this. 2 bracket mean multiply x addition 3 equal 10 divided by 2. 2 to 2 cancel, x addition 3 equal 5. Here to cancel, because we can write, remove this bracket. X addition 3, we have to remove this addition 3 from this side. What is the opposite operation? Subtraction 3. X addition 3, subtraction 3 from both sides. Plus 3 to minus 3 cancel 0. Here remain x. 5 subtract 3 is 2. X equal 2 is answer. I am going to explain second method. 2 x addition 3 equal 10. Under the second method, you have to firstly remove this bracket. How? Here you know bracket means multiply, because you can multiply by 2 these both terms. 2 multiply x is 2x. 2 multiply 3 is 6. You have to consider in this sign. Here no problem. Plus plus plus. 2 3 6 equal 10. Now we can remove this 6 from this side. 2x addition 6. Opposite operation is subtraction 6. 10 subtraction 6 is 4. Plus 6 to minus 6 cancel 0. 2x remain. 2x mean 2 multiply x. Now multiply mean what is? Division. Because divided by itself value is 2. Remain x. 4 divided by 2 is answer is 2. My dear student, you can see here both method. What is the easy one? You can decide. Okay, let's go next example. You have another example. 10 into, that means bracket, 2x plus 1 subtraction 5. My children, you have to remove firstly this 5. Okay, this 5 is as a subtraction. 10 2x addition 1 subtraction 5 equal 25. Please keep your mind, if divided by 10 is wrong, because this 10 is related with only this bracket, not with 5. Because we have to firstly, opposite operation should be subtraction 5. Subtraction means addition 5 to both sides. Minus 5 to plus 5 cancel 0. Here 2x addition 1 equal 30. Now you can consider what is the applied method. I am applying first method. What is, without remove this bracket, I am going to divide it by 10 both sides, because bracket means multiply, opposite operation is division, because divided by 10 both sides. 0 to 0 cancel, 10 to 10 cancel, 2x addition 1, here 30 divided by 10 means 3. We can cancel this 0. Remaining number is 3. Okay, now 2x addition 1. Addition 1 means with opposite operation subtraction 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3 subtract 1 is 2. 1 to 1 cancel. 2x means 2 multiply x. Now multiply means opposite operation is division, divided by 2 both sides. 2 to 2 cancel. Here x equal 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now you learned, if you have like this example, how to solving the equation. Let's go next example. Yes, this is third example. You can see this bracket 2. With bracket means multiply. I think if you apply first method, that method easy to solving this equation. Okay, here 5x upon 2 addition 1 equal minus 18. 2 multiply, because divided by 2 both sides. Opposite operation is division. This 2 to this 2 cancel, remaining 5x upon 2 addition 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Minus plus, minus divided by plus means when different sign should be minus. Now we have to apply to opposite operation 5 to 1. What is? Marks itself. Distance number is 1 when consider the unknown term x, because 5 multiply x, 2 addition 1 minus 9 here. Addition 1 mean opposite operation is subtraction 1 to both sides. Plus 1 to minus 1 cancel. Here remain 5x, 5 multiply x divided by 2. Minus 9 minus 1, what is the answer? Minus 10. When we have similar sign, same sign, we can add, put itself sign. Minus 10. Minus 10. Now we can remove this 2 of 5. I am going to remove this 2. 2 is as a division, because apply multiply to both sides. These two cancel. 5 multiply x remain here. Minus 10 multiply 2 is minus plus minus 10 multiply to 20. When multiply different sign should be answer sign also minus. Then divided by 5. Why divided by 5? Here multiply, opposite operation is division, itself value. 5 to 5 cancel, x equal minus plus minus 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, here please observe and study very well how to do like this equation. Now we can go next example. This is last example for you under the lesson equation. 2p subtraction 1 upon 3 addition 2 equal 5 upon 9. Okay, what we have to remove from this side firstly? This 2, 1, 3 or plus 2 should be plus 2. This 2 is more self distance with unknown term is this 2 because this 2 remove from this side. 2p subtraction 1 divided by 3 addition 2. Addition 2 means should be subtraction 2 from both sides. This plus 2 to minus 2 cancel. Here we have some problem. No, not problem. We have to do what is? Find the common denominator. When 2 upon 1 should be this one also as a 9 because 5 upon 9 2 1 also multiply 9 because 2 also multiply 9. 5 upon 9 2 multiply 9 is 18 upon 9. What is 5 subtraction 18? If you have different sign, how to do? The large number is 18 with minus sign, small number 5. We have to find the difference. 18 subtraction 5 is 13. We have to put large number sign minus. Minus 13 upon 9. Of this side, we have to write itself expressions 2p subtraction 1 upon 3. Again 2p subtraction 1 upon 3. Again 2p subtraction 1 upon 3. Because here some simplifying more steps. Okay. Then other side. Now we can cancel this 3 before bracket. How? Division, that means multiply. 2p subtraction 1 divided by 3 because multiply by 3. For both sides 13 upon 9 multiply by 3. Now 3 to 3 cancel. 2p subtraction 1 equal, here you can see my dear student, by 3 1 by 3 3 minus 13 upon 3. Then this minus 1, how to do? If minus 1 is opposite operation is addition 1. 2p subtraction 1 addition 1 minus 13 upon 3 addition 1. Now minus 13 upon 3 denominator we have to convert as 3 because 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3. Now 1 multiplied by 3 mean 3, minus 13 plus 3 mean, what is the answer? Minus 10. How to get? The small number subtraction large number, put the large number sign. Minus 10 upon 3. Here 2p minus 1 to plus 1 cancel. Here 2p. Then we have to remove this 2. 2p mean 2 multiply p. Now we can divided by 2 both sides. Divided by 2 both sides. 2 to 2 cancel. P equal 10 upon 2. What is the answer? By 2 1, by 2 5. Minus 5 divided by plus 3. P equal minus 5 divided by 3. Okay, I am going to explain again. Here firstly remove this plus 2 because subtraction 2 both sides. Then of this side we have to find the answer. Here minus 2 because 1 multiplied by 9, 2 also multiply 9. 18 minus 18 and plus 5. Okay, 18 subtraction 5 is 13 upon 9. Then 2p subtraction 1, 3. Okay, then here multiply by 3. Then this minus 1 because addition 1. Okay, like this. Final answer is P equal minus 5 upon 3. Please observe and study very well these 4 examples. Okay, my dear student. Now the lesson equation of grade 8 is over. You can do any example relevant to grade 8. So I am going to over this lesson today. I remember for you, subscribe our YouTube channel Maths College. Share these video lessons with your friend. Have a good future. Goodbye all of you.